I believe you are Nana.
Nana for short. Okay? Any problem?
King Odinka sent me to you.
Are you serious? Okay?
He asked me to give you this.
Wow! Thank you very much. Okay, greet him for me.
No problem.
Thank you. Wow. Are you serious? Hi. If not that Dikeh is so foolish, I would have considered him my lover. Oh. No. Baba. Dikeh might want to sell me to buy clothes for another of his lover. Because you sold his father's motorcycle. Hi. But Africa, man, make one look careful. Love is love, oh. Love is love. Because no one has mentioned love to me in a very long time. Okay. Love. Love is love. Hi. Okay. Why are you doing this to me? I am sorry. For 7 months now I've been begging you. Please forgive me. Please.
Chima, what is your problem? What is your problem? Is it that you don't read facial reaction or you are running mad? No. Can't you see I'm not in a good mood right now? What is it?
That is why you need my love. I love you so much. Let me give you that love so you'll be in a better position to talk to me.
Hey. Okay, you love me, Abi?
Yes.
And you can do anything for me, Akoya?
Yes.
Alright. Nonsense.
Dikeh.
What is it?
Okay, please, I'm sorry. I love you. You know I love you.
You love who? You love who?
You.
Do you know what is love?
Yes.
Because I don't love you. I don't love you. What is it? Habumaka, leave me alone now. Leave me alone. I said I don't love you.
I love you.
What do you know what love is? Habumaka, beg. Habumaka.
I cannot.
Thank God I met you here. Please, did you tell her what I told you? Don't. Hey! What is it? Love me.
Nana.
Mama.
What are you doing?
I'm just here reading the chat of my love.
Nana, I am so scared of what is about to happen.
Scared?
Yes.
What's about to happen, Mama?
Adaku was here earlier. She told me that Dikeh said he will kill you and kill himself. Have you seen it? Leave me alone.
Mama, Dikeh said he will kill me. Come on, Mama. Dikeh that cannot even hurt a fly. Please forget Ike, he's just making noise.
Do you know that Ike sold his father's motorcycle to buy new clothes for you?
No. If you're gonna hear, Mama, this is the kind of man you want me to marry. Eh?
Hi. Please. Nena, you have to take it easy. Eh? Take things easy before you land yourself into trouble. What is going on?
Mama, you can ask that question again, Mama.
I am asking again, what is going on here?
Mama, God has buttered my bread, Mama.
God has buttered your bread?
Yes, so, Mama.
How?
Mama, my God has blessed me with a rich and famous man in this town.
Wait. Dozier is rich? Eh? All of a sudden. But he just graduated and he is still here in the village.
Hey, Mama, who is talking of Dozier? I am talking of men and you're talking of boys. Mama, I'm not talking of Dozier now. Bikokwa.
Nana, are you in love with another man?
No. The question should be, is another man in love with me? Or have I been found worthy of being loved by King Odinka?
King Odinka?
Yes, Mama.
Don't you know he is married? Nana, I am not in support of that. Yes!
Married men are wonderful lovers.
Nana, you are unbelievable. What would people say? Yes! And what would his wife do when she learns that you are having an affair with her husband?
Mama.
Inokwe?
Hey, God, Mama. Look at what you're saying. Mama, for me, I've long forgotten about what people will say. They have their mouths, let them talk. Eh? I have my reason for accepting him. His wife has no child. I might be the mother of the next king of this town.
Hell! I am very sure of what I am saying. Everyone thinks it is only I, Chima, that is after men. Now, Nana is going around sleeping in the hotel. Nobody wants to say anything about it. If it is Chima, they will tie me to the tree and flog me.
You mean Nana now goes around in the hotel to sleep?
Yes.
Okay, I think I know what to do. I am going to inform the age grade and the youths now to go and bring her and get her flogged. That is what I'm going to do.
Now a man is talking in this village.
So Nana think now she now sleep around in the hotel in this village.
Yes.
Don't worry, I know what to do. In fact, let me go.
Please use the very big stick so that she cannot walk again.
It is an abomination. So don't pretend as if you have not heard it.
I swear by Ani, I'm hearing this for the first time. I wonder why her mother did not mention this to me.
Then go and ask her that question. If Odinka wants to marry her, then let him come and pay her bride price.
Ichie, thank you for the information. I will really do something about it.
You better do. And do it fast. As in Eme Gwangwa, Eme Yalodachi.
Oh yeah.
I do not want to be part of any form of abomination. Ema can see Eme. Obiam Nishi. Ema can see Eme.
I got that.
Do something fast. Mbano. Kodi.
Not the man. Kodi no. Ijoma.
I've not heard this though. She only told me she's going to Onitsha to see her friend.
They had to come back home and stay away from Odinka. If Odinka wants to marry her, let him come here and pay her bride price. Okay, Semeife. That is what you have to tell her. Go.
What exactly is wrong with Nana? What is wrong with this girl?
Have you heard what I heard?
What did you hear?
heard Nana is doing ashawo in the guest house.
What is ashawo?
Ashawo now, ashawo.
Who told you that?
Have you forgotten that my brother works there? I even know her room number. Does he goes there to see her. And even King Odinka and other men, they go to sleep with her.
Well, I'm not surprised. If she like, let her use less her life there. If she wants to die, let her die. We'll bury her in this village. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Ike, can I come to your house?
No. Please, allow me. Let me survive from the shock Nana left me with.
I want to come and visit you.
Oh God. I don't attend to visitors. Allow me now.
Ike, let me just come and visit. Just visit.
Who told you this?
Mama, I just saw her with my own eyes. Or were you thinking she was at Odinka's house? No, Mama, I saw her at the guest house. At the guest house, Mama.
Hey, what did I do to Nana to deserve all this?
Mama, I want to be on my way now.
Oh my dear. Thank you for the information.
No, but Mama, don't think too much.
I will not think.
No.
How? Hi. I will go there.
I know it was you who told her mother that thing. It was you.
Is he not shameless? Why must she make it look like all our girls are loose? Why?
Is it not good that people like you mind their business?
Hey, I know you are angry. No, I know you're angry because I am in love with Ike. Same person you're also in love with.
Hey, Fiawa! Shut up your mouth. In love with who? That one. Hey! Adaku, you have suffered. Me? In love with that thing that sold his father's motorcycle to buy clothes for my girlfriend. Am I mad? With that thing? Rubbish. You don't even have sense. If you like, be moving around the village looking for who to love you. Ike cannot love you and can never.
I don't blame you. You're lucky.
Look at you. You think it's by hanging your waist? Ooh, you cannot love you. I have it. He cannot love you. Hey, Adak, we have suffered though. Ike. Bow. I have better dreams. It's not Ike. Hi. Hi. This girl have insulted me. Oh. What have I? I will teach her a lesson. This thing will not end here. Chalo.
I heard my daughter is here doing a shower job.
Ashawo,
Yes.
please, we do not run such business here.
I know what I am saying.
You know what you're saying? Please, ma'am, if your daughter is Ashawo, she's not here.
I will shout, oh. I will shout and tell everyone in this village what you people do here in this hotel. I'm shouting now. I will begin to shout now.
Please, if you do not leave here now, I'll have to tell the security to unleash the dogs on you.
Oh, you want to tell the security to unleash the dogs for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ngwano. Tell the security, let me see.
Security! Security!
Okay. I'm good.
No, don't leave.
God will deal with you people. God will deal with you people for leading my daughter astray. Hey!
Why are you shouting?
Maz, I was about coming to your house.
Look at me here. What is the problem?
Is it not Nana? Nana left the house since! And someone told me she saw her at the guest house. I went there now, and they told me she did not come there. Maz.
Ezine, things are not done that way.
What do you mean?
Ezine, you should have asked questions.
Like what?
Did you not hear that she has become a concubine to King Odinka? Eh? Or are you pretending? Bo.
Mazi, I want my daughter back.
Oh, you didn't hear what I said? Eh?
Mazi. You are what?
You heard me right, Mama.
You are pregnant for Odinka. Nena, what is wrong with you?
Mama, the thing is that we went on a little adventure and they yielded a good result.
It yielded a good result. What about his wife? Eh?
Mama, calm down now. Eh? Just think like me. Think like me, Mama. Eh? By now, you should be congratulating me because soon I will be the next queen of this.
Eh? Nena, you have killed me. Eh? Look at the way you ended up ruining your life. Just imagine. How? How? Hey. Chimo, I don't want to die. Eh? Hey.
Mama, what is it? Die. Nobody is killing you. Kenke, we don't want to die. You sent for me. You scared me, okay? Yo. What is it?
Adako. Lolo called me on phone. And she threatened to kill Nana. If she doesn't leave her house.
Kill?
She threatened to kill Nana if she doesn't leave her house.
Mama, the Lolo I know cannot even threaten to kill anybody. She's a good woman. She cannot do that.
Are you telling me that I'm still a child that doesn't know what threat means?
Mama, what do you think is serious? It's as if you are serious. Oh. Hey, what do we do now?
I'm telling you that she threatened to kill Nana. You are here telling me how the question is
Mama,
serious.
There's no problem. Use my phone. Let's call Nana. You talk to her with my phone.
Okay. Oh, you have her number here. Bring out the number.
I know you don't have card. Use my phone. Oh. Oh yeah. I've died it.
Have you called? Hello, Nana. Can you hear me now? Please, I want to see you today. In fact, I want to see you now. 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 Start coming now. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay.
She said she's coming.
She said she's coming.
Chet.
Let's wait for her.
Mama, that Chet is serious. Hi.
Let's wait for her. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter.
Please. I do not want to hear anything about her. Please.
Hey, Lolo has already threatened to kill Nana if she does not leave the palace. And I've called Nana since morning on phone. Yet she has not come.
Please, let her leave the royal couple to enjoy their marriage. What is all this? I don't know. Please, I am on my way. I'm going for a meeting. Please.
Mazi.
Where are you now?
Nana, thank God. Thank God you are here. Hey.
Why did you sound like that on phone?
Nana, please, you have to leave the palace. Lolo told me she will kill you if you don't leave her husband alone.
Wait, please. Is that why you called me?
Hey. Chimo. Yes, that is why I called you. You have to leave her and her husband. Please, leave her alone.
Mama, please. Please, Mama, please. Don't call me for this kind of thing again. Don't, Mama. I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
Nana, you have to leave the palace. That is what I'm telling you. You have to leave that palace.
Mama, I should leave my home.
Your home?
Mama, you. Even you, Mama. Mama, please. Don't call me for this kind of thing again.
If you are going back to that palace, you have to be very careful. Pico.
Did you just say if? I don't understand. Where else will I live?
It's not as if I don't want you to live in the palace. I just want you to be very, very careful. You know, if something happens to you there, hey, nobody will come to your rescue, and they might not be very risky. Pico, just be careful.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to me, okay? But wait, are you among the people praying for me to die in that palace?
Hey, no! Hi, my friend. How can you say a thing like this? How can I pray for you to die? No, I want you to live in the palace. Mana, you have to be careful. That's all. Keep Anya, Makando. Oh,
you know what? You know what? I am tired of talking about this issue.
Sorry, don't be offended. You are my friend though, and I want the best for you. See how fine you are looking. This palace, they are really treating you nice.
My friend, don't worry, okay? I'm fine. Very fine. In fact, more than fine.
Oh, it's obvious. When you go see, don't worry, I will come to the palace and see you.
Really?
Yes.
I'm expecting you
there.
Okay. Alright. Take care of you.
No problem. Mayo, easy, gently. Huh?
What is it? Nana? Nana?
My tummy! My tummy!
Nana?
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 She screamed. What is wrong with her?
Nana? Nana? What did you put?
What did you put in the yogurt? Me?
Nana?
I didn't put anything inside the yogurt.
Nana?
I didn't put anything inside.
If you do not speak, you should do something. Nana? What did you put in the yogurt?
Nana!
Nana?
I did not put
Nana?
anything inside.
Speak it true. Nana?
Nana, what did you do?
Nana? Nana? Can I hear the truth? What did you put? What did you put in the yogurt?
Why are you doing this?
Speak.
I'll talk.
What did you put in the yogurt?
I'll talk.
Let's hear the truth.
I poisoned it. I poisoned the yogurt.
Poisoned what?
I am sorry. Hey! I wanted to kill Lola. Because I'm pregnant for the kid too. I am sorry. What? Please forgive me. It's the devil. It's the devil, my friend. Please forgive me. She will not die. Let's take her to the hospital.
I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry, please forgive
Me, your friend.
I'm sorry, please. Forgive me.
say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it, whether I'm present, absent. My dear, show me, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it, whether I'm present, 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 present. The mele 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 ni lumbafa. The kwam pata na. When I'm present, present. The mele 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 ni absent. The kwam pata na so.
You need to hear this.
Hear what?
Nana.
Her name is not Nana. Call her Nena. And what about her?
She's dead.
How? When? Where?
Today. She died today in Odinka's palace.
Hey!
I heard she was poisoned.
Nena, see what you have done to yourself. Hey! Hey! Who do we run to? Who do we go to now? Hey! Hey!
Mazi! I think I should go and tell her mother. I should go and tell her mother. Let go. Let me go.
How? You? Hey, Nena, you ruined yourself. Hey! Hey!
Mama! What is it?
Mama? Huh? Nothing else. There's something. No, there's nothing.
Which one is nothing or there is something? What happened?
Mama, I do not know how to say it. I don't know how to say it.
Oh, say it the way it is.
Hey. Oh. Mama. Let me help you with your bag,
Okay, let's go. Adako. Okay, let's go.
You just got to the house. Mama. Yes! No! Hey.
Adako.
Mama.
Just tell me exactly what happened.
Mama.
Are you crying?
No.
What happened, Adako?
I don't know how to say it though. Hey.
You are crying, no?
Nana?
What happened to Nana?
Nana is dead, Mama. Nana is dead.
As in, it's alright. You see, the fly that refuses to heed the advice ends up in the grave with the corpse. That's exactly what happened here. It's alright. Wipe out your tears. Stop crying. I will go to King Odenka to ask for her corpse. Stop crying. Huh? Chairman.
What am I hearing?
That is the way we see it. Oh.
You see? I tried to stop this from happening, but it seems I was crossing my boundary. Look at it now.
Let me first go and see her mother. Ichie, can you please follow me to the palace of Odenka to reclaim the body? Huh?
Mazi, as you can see now, I was on my way home. My in-laws are waiting for me. Let me get home first and see them. Maybe when you are ready, I will go with you.
Okay. Then I will come to your house direct. We'll go from there. Okay. All right. Odema. Odema.
So what killed her?
She was poisoned.
She was poisoned. Good! That is very good. She was poisoned. Have you seen it? This is what happened to those people that think they are in charge of their lives. She was poisoned.
How could you speak ill of the dead? How could you?
That is when the dead did not commit anything when they were living. Yes, she did a lot of atrocities in this world when she was alive. That suits her.
Nana was a good friend. She don't deserve all this.
Are you for real? Eh? No, have you forgotten so soon? Have you forgotten how that girl wrecked me in this village? After all the love and sacrifice I showed to her, after all the gifts I rendered to her and her family, she left me for one idiot.
Nana.
I beg, I'm not ready for all those nonsense. Excuse me. I thought he called me for better things.
Nana. Death.
Is it true?
I guess we are happy now. This is what you've wanted.
No, I'm not happy. Why? It's okay. I'm sorry.
Amaka, don't touch me again.
Amaka, don't touch me again.
But wait. Is it the right thing for me to follow him to Odenka? I know. I will have to think about it. I will think about it. Mailo! I do not think I'm doing the right thing.
How do you mean?
Odinka owe us apology. He should come to us and apologize and even marry Nana's corpse.
Well, let us first get there. Let's first get there and other things.
Mazi, I won't be that foolish. Oh, I am going home.
Going home?
And I'm going home.
Huh?
Please, I'm sorry, my love. Forgive me.
To think that I trusted you with my life is heartbreaking.
Please. If you are going, I'll follow you. Let me go with you, because I will not stay here if you are not here. I'll follow you.
Will you shut up and leave? She's not going anywhere. Please, I'm sorry.
Michael. Please, don't go. I dreamt and I saw you carrying twin babies. Stay, let me take care of you. Please.
Don't worry. If I have my baby, I will send for you.
I'll follow you. Let me go and pack my things.
Are you pregnant?
It doesn't matter anymore. Go ahead and enjoy your life. I'll have my child and raise my child alone.
No, please don't say like that. Beg of you. Just forgive me, please. Listen, to err is human, to forgive divine. Please.
And you cheated on me with my friend, my best friend.
Well, that is in the past now. I'm a changed man. Please.
Already, Michael.
Take those bags inside.
You say we're leaving.
Take them inside. Please. I'm a changed man. Please.
We're not going again.
We're going to Canada. We're going to Canada.
I'm coming with you.
Yes, I'm tired. I need to rest.
Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. You're coming with us. I can't afford to leave you here. You're a good person.
Okay, Michael.
Better just say you fit to do this work. Better just say you sabi this work. Better say she be professional. Any kind of work, she go do it. Any type of job, she go do it. As professional where she be, she's expecting promotion. But if you deny her promotion, na protection. Get ready for her trouble. Na protection. Her trouble will not end. She go protest. But if you deny her promotion, na protection. Get ready for her trouble. Na protection. Her trouble will not end. She go protest. Veronica not the man. She's fighting for her right. Veronica, she go protest. Everybody they hear we because of it. Living the way and love because of it. Everybody they hear we because of it. Living the way and love because of it. Better not talk palace here. Obuluze market here. Ebana yito belala. Everybody they hear we because of it. Living the way and love because of it. Everybody they hear we because of it. Living the way and love because of it.